Welcome to MixMaster's Craft Cocktails, where we teach you how to make craft cocktails. Today I've got some family members and friends that don't drink, so we're gonna do what we call a mocktail. Real quick, today we're gonna do a sour grapple, all right? Take a green apple, 4, 5 grapes, green grapes, some green lime juice, about a ½ ounce. I do about 1 ounce of simple syrup. Muddle that all together. All right. Ice it up. Top it off with club soda. Stir it up. And there you have a mocktail called the Sour Grapple. Oh, now, for those of you who do drink, take that garnish out, take a sip. About 1.5 ounces. Grab your crown green apple. Put that in. About 1.5 ounces. Stir it up. And then garnish it back again. And yeah, you have your cocktail sour grapple.